Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the primary router and the app. Open Google Home, sign in, and make sure the main Google Wi-Fi shows online. This is critical. Once done, power up your secondary points nearby, within about 10 to 15 meters, so they pair reliably and keep the Wi-Fi password ready. You should also ensure firmware updates are applied. Without them, mesh features can fail. Then tap Add, follow device prompts, and let each node broadcast its setup beacon while you wait for confirmation. You now add nodes through Google Home step by step. Select Add, then New Device, choose your home, and scan or enter the setup code. This is how the app knows which point to configure. Make sure you name each node by room, kitchen, upstairs, so the system can steer clients properly. Once a node pairs, you'll see provisioning progress. Allow 5 to 10 minutes as the mesh exchanges topology and optimizes channels. If prompted, accept automatic configuration, so the network balances load in real time. You finish by validating the mesh and testing coverage. Run the Google Home mesh test and then a speed test at typical client locations. This shows whether handoffs and backhaul are healthy. If a node underperforms, move it closer or adjust height and orientation, then retest. If a point won't join, reboot the primary, factory reset the problematic node, and re-add it through the app. This clears stale keys. Finally, make sure your main router isn't running a conflicting DHCP server. Disable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.